Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check Facebook page quality. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Make sure you are logging to your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon. Tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in page status and perform a search. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your page quality. As you can see, this page has no issue. And this is how you can check Facebook page quality. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.